Once again, welcome to Kibabii University, our freshmen for 2020-2021. Congratulations once again for having made it to this university. My name is Meshak Nyambane Makori. I'm in charge of communications and marketing at Kibabii University, Office of the Vice Chancellor. I want to take you through the media and communication guidelines that shall be guiding you in your 4 years as you have your stay in this university. So I'll take you through the principles that we conduct ourselves in to enhance our good communication practices in the higher education and particularly Kibabii University. We are guided by integrity. Integrity means that we commit to high levels of completeness and wholesomeness in delivery of information. Any information that leaves the university must leave the university with that high pedestal of a package that we truly believe in. We also believe in effectiveness in terms of, is this information that we are disseminating to the public appropriate for public consumption? We shall also be ensuring that feedback and immediate response to our external and internal clients is considered. So you, as our first years, that is our commitment to you as you join Kibabii University, that we shall be looking at your issues with a lot of sensitivity, and we shall give immediate feedback to your concerns. Thirdly is clarity. We believe that any information that gets out of our university is clear, precise, and a true representation of this university. We commit ourselves to transparent information. The university is operating in an open door policy, so that if you have information which you want to get from us, we shall be always committed to give that information to you. How important is this to you, new stakeholders into this university? We want you to be getting information before you disseminate it, before you forward any information on any rumors. You need to get clarification from the relevant offices before you commit yourself into any statement that may be outside your mandate as a student. Cultural awareness. Kibabii University is an international university. We are no longer national, we are going international. We are alive to the fact that most students and even our staff come from various countries. Secondly, our students, I want to take you through the avenues of accessing information in the university. We have various avenues for you to access information, and one of them is our university website. By now, through your usage and interaction during your registration process, you must have known that our website is www.kibu.ac.ke. So most of our information, in fact, close to 90% of our information must pass through the website. The second mode of communication is through emails. By now, our students, you must have been given a corporate mail, which is primary to you. We are encouraging you to make sure you use that avenue of communication, because most of the communication shall be sent through that email address of yours. In case you want to also send information to the university, you can use 2 avenues of communication. That is admissions@kibu.ac.ke. That is when you have matters to do with admission procedures. When you have general inquiries and you want to communicate something to the university, you can do that via our email address. That is enquiries@kibu.ac.ke, and you shall be responded to and your matters shall be addressed appropriately. We use various other platforms, what we call the social media pages. Kibabii University has 4 social media outlets, but I'll want to bring to your attention 2 very vibrant modes of communication. That is the Facebook page and a Twitter page. The Facebook page is Kibabii University. You will find some other very many parody accounts in the name of Kibabii University. But how do you identify the Kibabii University official page? First of all, you look at the latest updates from the university. Official communications is one of the indicators that this is one of the official media outlets. The second one is that on the Facebook page, you will find close to 12,500 likes or followers. That's another indication that this is the official page of Kibabii University Facebook. So there are so many others, but be alive to the fact that the university should only communicate through the official Facebook page, that is Kibabii University, with over 12,500 likes and still growing as at today. The second page is the Twitter page, that is Kibabii University, or at Kibabii Uni. That is also another official social media page which we want to bring to your attention. It has close to 2,500 followers and still growing. Those are our two vibrant social media sites. We also communicate through WhatsApp pages, but this is subject to your class or course because of the limit in the number of members that can be availed into one particular WhatsApp page. So get in touch with the head of departments and class representatives to know which one is your official class WhatsApp page. The social media management guidelines. Because we are a public entity and an institution of high esteem, we will advocate for responsibility and care usage of your social media platforms. And that's why the social media management guidelines is a good tool for you new students to understand and make good use of it. So these guidelines apply to all social media channels, which include but not limited to Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp. So the social media policy should be subordinate to the Kenya Information and Communication Amendment Bill of 2019. The amendment makes us to be responsible for how and when we use our social media tools. So one is that while the university recognizes the formally registered corporate social media sites, the consequences for misuse should be extended to parody social media pages bearing university's previous or current name, logo, symbols, or acronyms. Administrators of such accounts should be principally responsible for the content therein. Secondly, all posts from corporate social media accounts represent the university. It is vital that the messages are posted carefully and considered appropriate so that they do not damage the reputation of the university or otherwise bring it into disrepute. All corporate social media accounts must adhere to the university's brand guidelines, and the account profile information should clearly be stated. The purpose of the account and the hours of operation of that social media account shall be communicated in that particular page. And that's the responsibility of the administrators of such sites, and we want to urge that this is adhered to. Inquiries shall be responded to promptly within the operating hours. Individuals posting content on corporate social media accounts must not post or promote content which harasses, bullies, or otherwise intimidates. Posts or promote content intended to incite violence or hatred. Post or promote abusive content relating to an individual's age, disability, gender, marriage or civil partnership, pregnancy or maternity, race, religion or belief, sex or sexual orientation. So we want to bring this particular guideline to the core of our students and members of the public in the fair usage of social media platforms, as much as the right has been given for us to use this important tool. Lastly but not least, communication through social media must not include confidential information about an individual or the university. It should not discuss any internal resolutions or reveal future plans that have not been officially communicated to the public. These are also very pertinent issues in the university where students tend to hear issues and communicate without proper verification or official communication. Opinions on political matters. You as a student of Kibabii University, you have the freedom to speak, but whenever you speak to the media or outside stakeholders, it is advised that you express any information as your personal opinion. It is not well for you to speak on behalf of the university because you are not authorized to do so. Matters of official communications outside the university are the responsibility of the Vice Chancellor. But you are free to discuss, you are free to get interviews, but as a personal representation of yourself. So this is also well advised. What happens if we fault these guidelines? There will be legal action for misuse. While the university shall not gag content, it has the sole right to remove any postings deemed inappropriate, offensive, defamatory, hurtful, and/or illegal, and take appropriate disciplinary actions or legal actions where necessary. So our students, we love you so much. We welcome you into the university. We give you freedom of use of social media. But again, we want to caution you against unfair usage of these rights that we've been given. Let me take you briefly to filming within the university. Our university promotes creativity and creative activities, performances in arts, drama, martial arts, and such things. And in such cases, you might find that there's a need to do filming within the university. This is very much welcome. But now, the filming and all those activities must be guided through the office of the Vice Chancellor. So in case you have any external media engagements for coverage of such activities, you are welcome to the office of the Vice Chancellor for clearance and guidance on the same. But this filming will not be allowed at times and in places where it will be disruptive to academic process or activities, or even disrupt other students' life. Otherwise, it might have been looking a punitive session, but it's well with us and it's well with you. We want to welcome you to Kibabii University. We want to enjoy what Kibabii has to offer, the green environment, the good landscape, beautiful scenery, and more importantly, accommodative Kibabii University community of students and staff and surrounding community.